Hi babies! I'm Nathia. Welcome to my channel. I'm here and ARCHERY is Nipa hot.
Flashback. End of flashback.
After our swimming, we stay here overnight in ARCHERY Asia. Picture taking time. My turn.
Oh my god!
So many activities here. You will enjoy here so much.
Breaking news: spring gun shooting is 30 for 10 bullets.
Breaking news: billiards and other activities are for free for resort overnight guest only.
This place is so nice. I enjoy here so much. Now we will try the archery. Let's go. Now my papa is training ate. Go papa. Good luck papa.
2,000 years later.
Second try.
Now it's my turn. Thank you, ate, for helping me. I try again and move closer. I feel I look like Miya in Mobile Legends. I think I make it. Now we're done in here. We will go other area. Let's go. Papa will do the rest of arrow shoot. Now we done in archery. Now we will go to play billiard. Let's go. We are now playing billiard. Now it's my turn.
A few moments later. Meanwhile, more moments later.
Now we're going to sleep.
Later that same evening. Tomorrow
We are going home. Bye. Go out.